The 2016 Nissan Pathfinder makes parking easier with available features like the Around View Monitor and Rear Cross Traffic Alert. The Around View Monitor's 4 wide-angle cameras give you a virtual 360-degree bird's-eye view, making parallel parking a breeze. The split screen gives you an overhead view and either a front or rear view. You can check the curbside with the push of a button, slip into any space easier with the help of dynamic guidelines, and back out safer with the 180-degree full-screen view. Backing out on a busy street or parking lot can be challenging. Rear Cross Traffic Alert can detect traffic coming even before you do and let you know if it's not clear. If a vehicle is coming your way, you'll receive an audible and visual alert. To experience everything the 2016 Nissan Pathfinder offers, stop by Chris Myers Nissan in Mobile today.